Welcome to the video, and as you might have guessed, my name is Jasper, and what we're going to be covering today is how to link to another page on Webflow. So we're going to do it in two ways. One, we're going to hyperlink the text, and two, we're going to do it through a button. So let's say for hyperlinking the text, what we're going to be using today is just an example of one of these templates I've created. So we're going to select the text here, and you'll see this little icon here is called Insert Link. Click that. And now that we've done that, you will see that you can click this little gear icon. Click that. Now you've got a few different options here. This option here is so you can link anywhere that's a URL, whether that's on the website or outside of it, so an external link. But what you want to do is be clicking this one here called page. If you click there, you're able to link to any other page within this, let's say, website. So we'll select one here, bam. So now when somebody clicks that link, it's going to take them to that other page. Now let's scroll down to the bottom. Here we have a button. Now it's the same thing with the button. We go here. As you can see, I linked externally originally, but what you can do is move over to page, and once again, select the page that you would like it to go to. There you go. And you can also have it as opening in a new tab, or just going straight to it in the current tab that you're in. So let's unclick that. And there you have it. It's just that simple to add another link a page together in Webflow. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.